Can you make this invite only so that other people don't listen to our plan? I don't know. I mean, Tanya, please make it invite only.
I have only invited audience, please. If I knew who that guy or female is, definitely.
Just because we know, na, so please send him an invite and tell him to come. The problem is he doesn't come alone. He comes along with his whole mandali. That's the problem. His entire kitty party gang comes over here. That's the problem.
Can you imagine that आगे वो साधु बाबा जा रहा है और पीछे पूरी उसकी मंडली वो भजन करते आ रही है. They always come like that. Even on like Roaz or someone's place, they were invited. They all went actually. उनको invite करते एक नहीं 10 tickets देनी पड़ती.
Yes, I can hear you. Tanya, I want to ask, what is this invited audience? Please, matlab, are you sending personal invitations to people who are you calling or what? You can say so. But I haven't got any invitation, so I should go out, right? I'm still on the way to give invitations. You can stay. No, because this is absurd. You are putting it on Twitter. Twitter, anybody can join, and you are like insulting people like this.
Saloni ji, I'll tell you. Saloni ji, I take responsibility here because I suggested her. It's because we were talking about some sensitive things, and a lot of trollers were coming.
No sensitive things, Sonal. Then you can have a Zoom, right?
No, Zoom is not convenient. No, we are here, so we want to do this, right? You are known person, so you stay. But the people who are known, not who come here just to listen and troll, they are not okay. So don't. How
would you make out that people who are coming and listening, they are going to troll you? How do you know that?
Saloni ji, there is a possibility. Saloni ji, there is a possibility. Let us suppose a new person comes whom you all don't know. Then you can click on his profile, and if he's following Tatya Bichu on Twitter, then you will come
to know that. Because I tell you, Sachin, this one hummingbird told me that she was also removed from the space twice. By whom and why?
Let's not make a big deal about this. I think we all are mature enough, and the reason we are doing this is because everyone has a right to do like what they want to do, right? So it's okay.
Everyone is right to everyone is right to say whatever they like. You cannot stop anyone. No, even Vibhor Anand or Meena or anybody. You think you will be able to stop them? You are wasting your time, money, energy, everything.
That is why I'm telling Saloni ji. That is why I'm telling Saloni ji. We should invite Tatya Bichu himself here.
And something meaningful. You are just bashing somebody or the other every day.
Okay, please, you can please leave then. If
I'm leaving. I'm not interested in bitching. I'm not interested in bitching anymore.
Hey,
I'm leaving. Thank you very much.
Please mind your words. What is this? सब लोग आके ज्ञान दे के चले जाते हैं. It's not okay. आराम से समझा रही थी कि you are welcome.
No. See, the point is, this person, Tatya Bichu, as we are calling him, he has done a lot of damage to this movement. I think Saloni ji needs to understand this. He has done a lot of damage to this movement. I know. I even agree with her what she's saying that we should not.
Tatya Bichu, एक मिनट Sachin, एक मिनट. Before even going there, internally अगर ऐसे question करेंगे and fight करेंगे and all तो कैसे चलेगा? And then using words like oh you're pitching and all. What did you contribute here? What did you do to go and tell those guys to when they were trolling whatever SSR and Siddharth and Sana and everyone? आके बस कुछ भी बोल देना है. It's not okay. So, ज्ञान देना ना सबको बहुत पसंद है यहाँ पे. So it's okay to say invite only, and we told her, right, you are invited, please stay, glad you are here. And what else can we say? So
So
it's
what- see-
don't people coming and kind of throwing around their weights. It's not okay. I will not listen to it.
Yeah.
And spaces, अगर problem है कि किसी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, जाओ और खुद का space on.
That's okay. That's
Yeah.
okay. No. See, people when they attain a certain age, they have this थोड़ा idealistic हो जाते हैं. So it's okay. I mean, if she's angry, also we can understand that anger. It's okay. I mean, it's a human. It's part of human nature.
बोल के चले जाते. I will not let her walk all over me. Okay, that's all.
That's okay. But it's part of human nature to disagree with others. That's okay. I mean, we try to convince her.
Disagree is fine. Insulting is not okay. No matter 90 years की भी है तो भी insulting is not okay.
Yeah. No, I mean, I do not understand this particular hummingbird individual is there. Can't she speak for herself? Does she need another person to speak for her?
Yeah, नहीं, hummingbird ने काफी लोगों को message भेजा. And I'll tell you, okay, in this spaces, I'm saying that when I was a co-host, twice I removed hummingbirds. There I said it. And I don't have qualms on saying that. I've said that to everyone. अगर किसी को मिर्ची लगी तो go create your own space.
No. Why is this hummingbird or whoever she is trying to get a point through another person. Why can't she herself speak?
She said this to 5-6 different people.
I mean, why do you want to do that? I mean, is she trying to come and gossip here? I mean, come and talk, no? Come and talk face to face. Why do you want another person to speak for you?
So if she feels she was removed from Tanya's space, Tanya, did she contact you? Exactly, correct? And she's
Yes.
okay. About her, we had our own, what do you say, reservations or whatever,
Yeah, and that's why, it's not like, I know everyone personally here and all. I did that, and I also told Tanya that, Tanya, don't take this on yourself because I did it. So you can say my name that, this person removed you and deal with me if she has to.
Conspiracy theory number 1. According to me, how did this hummingbird get influenced is Synthol must have told her, because she comes on a certain channel where even Synthol comes, right? So maybe Synthol has influenced her. There is a possibility, no? Because on Lovely Chobe's channel, Synthol comes regularly. He's coming regularly nowadays. So there is a possibility that hummingbird or whoever she is, she must have told that, I was removed. They are trolling you on spaces and everything. So he must have told them to confront, or maybe that is why she's influenced others.